We are going back in time today. A Schutt XP helmet, and we are throwing on this old school Ropo SW face mask. This face mask in particular really was popular in the late 80s. This helmet in particular is for big number 52. So we're going to throw some numbers on the back of this in the 1-inch clear circular kind of old school style. Love this. A beautiful color if you ask me. What style helmets do you prefer? Does this satisfy your throwback needs? This thing is so cool. If you like these old helmets, let me know.